Laravel is full of hidden gems. Ito yung tatlong hindi ginagamit ng karamihan pero super useful. Feature number 1, accessors and mutators. Instead of formatting data manually sa controller, you can use accessors and mutators sa model. For example, auto-capitalize names or hash passwords automatically. Mas clean and less repetitive code. Feature number 2, task scheduling. Stop relying on manual cron jobs. With Laravel Task Scheduler, you can define it once in app console kernel.php. Then run php artisan schedule : run. Perfect for email, cleanups, and reports. Feature number 3 is Laravel events. Instead of stuffing logic everywhere, use events and listeners. For example, if a user registers, then trigger an event to send an email to that user and log the activity. It's called separation of concern. Try this feature in your next project. They'll make your Laravel codebase cleaner and easier to maintain. Thank you for watching and follow for more Laravel tips.